This is actually one of my favorite topics to talk about in the happiness world, and that is finding happiness from a tough place. How does one find happiness when going through adversity, challenges, trauma, death, sickness, illness, financial issues, divorce, the gamut of life's top stressors? And actually, it's possible. And here are the simple secrets about it. That adversity and difficulty and all of the things that are considered bad in life are part of the human experience. And the very fact that we can be alive to experience these things is a blessing. It's a gift because it means we can actually learn to educate ourselves and transform the traumatic experience into a growth one that actually serves our well-being and serves to change our perspective and alter our way we view the world, alter the way we participate in the world, and ultimately alter the way we view happiness and allow ourselves to be happy. See, we're really about as happy as we choose to be. So when we're going through a difficult time, we can choose to say to ourselves, we are victims of the circumstance, victims of the story, and allow the adversity and the challenge to be what defines us, or we can simply choose to work through the steps of grief, of anxiety, of anger, of sadness, of frustration, all the things that we've talked about in these other video pieces, and use it for our growth. Use it as the fuel for change. Use it as something for the greater good, not only for ourselves, but our families and our communities. And this is the basis of Harvesting Happiness for Heroes programming. It's transforming the post-traumatic stress experience into post-traumatic growth, or the acronym is PTG. And that's it. The secret is actually not so secret at all.